How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix the microphone delay within Voicemeeter for singing. So basically, you want to head over to your Voicemeeter right here. And then before we head over onto our tutorial, you also want to make sure that you have the virtual audio device or cable for Voicemeeter. So just search the virtual cable Voicemeeter, head over to the official website, and then you can get either one of these options right here. Right after installing the driver, just restart your device and you should be good to go. Now in here, just click on the stereo input number 2, and then you want to select the WDM WAS API, and then you want to select the cable output right here. Now the next one is going to be A2, so on the hardware out, just click A2. Navigate through the MME, which is going to be multimedia, and then you want to select the other virtual driver or virtual cable right here. So from there, this will then eliminate the delay on your Voicemeeter. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.